Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Source Filmmaker and loading the shot you'll edit. Once the timeline is ready, enable the graph editor from the View menu so you can see curves. Make sure to set the frame range to the segment. You'll adjust and enable Snap to Keys for precision. You want to select one animated element at a time to reduce visual clutter. This initial focus lets you inspect a single motion curve and identify where smoothing or tightening is required. Once you have the curve visible, zoom in and use selection tools to isolate keyframes you'll alter. You can change tangents to linear, flat, or spline to control acceleration. Use moderate tangent scaling like 0, 5 to 2, 0 to fine-tune easing. When needed, add or delete keys to remove jitter, or move keys along the timeline to retime an action. Make sure to preview the shot frequently while scrubbing. This confirms your edits produce the intended motion. To finish, preview a playblast of the edited frames so you can judge motion in real time. Once done, use graph editor filters to isolate position, rotation, or any custom channel to make targeted tweaks without affecting others. If you see a pop or unnatural jump, smooth the surrounding keys or retangent nearby points to blend transitions. Make sure to undo and test alternative tangent types if smoothing fails. Finally, lock the track or bake curves to preserve your corrected animation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.